Hey guys, and welcome back to Pokemon Alchemist. Last episode we took down the Sandvale City Pokemon Gym Leader Simon for the Dig Badge. In today's episode we are going to be exploring Lower Sandvale to get HM for Rock Smash. Wait a sec, I just noticed this Team Blue Ribbon grunt over here. Okay, you're not going to say anything? Oh! My disguise! I forgot to take it off! You're so hot! Never mind all that, I'll squash you! I can't let anyone know about our secret Sandvale hideout. Okay, you just told me. That's awesome! So we are taking on Team Bromin. Just kidding, it's Blue Ribbon, yeah! So the first battle is going to be an epic one. So you are challenged by Team Blue Ribbon Grunt. So she's going to send out a Geodude at level 24. Okay, good thing we have Rosalina up in front, cause we can squash this thing or crush this thing. Whatever adjective you can use it. So let's go for the magical leaf and let's see how much that does. Let's go, Leaf Storm. Yeah. Hopefully one hit kill. Yes, you don't have sturdy. Yes, I really love when Geodudes don't have sturdy. Just makes my life a little more easier, you know. Okay, next is gonna be a Graveler. So I doubt we can one-shot this because you know Gravelers do have improved defenses. But I do believe in Rosalina can be one-shot the Graveler as well. Let's find out. Leaf Storm! Yes! Oh my god! Rosalina the beast, everyone. I'm really glad I actually replaced Courtney and got Rosalina because for one, I have never got the chance to use Rosalina, and two, it's a beast. Blast it all! Thanks for the cash. You little twerp! You'll never beat my boss! Okay, so you guys have like a hideout, huh? So let's go and check out this place, you know? Okay. Hey, you! You made it to an impenetrable base. Alright, kid, I'll destroy you and report it back to our boss. Yes, okay, let's take on the second grunt. Also, the music was kind of like the Galactic headquarters, so that's cool. So, Blue Ribbon Grunt wants to battle, he's going to send out a Sandile. Okay, one pattern I noticed about these guys is that all of them have ground type Pokemon. So it's gonna be interesting and easily train up. I was actually thinking about training Rosalina in the wild, but looks like this is going to be easy training as well. Also, Mudslap has Earth Power animation. What the hell? Okay, let's go for the Magical Leaf. It never misses. Yeah, this should one-shot him. Come on, do it. Oh snap, Rosalina. Yeah. Okay, also we need to find a shiny stone and hopefully evolve Rosalina to Roserade because Roserade looks badass. Okay, next is Golbat. I don't know if Kirlia is actually strong enough to take on a Golbat. So anyways, let's try it, you know, nothing wrong in trying that. Let's go of a shiny Kirlia. Okay, let's see the level of the Golbat. It's gonna be level 26 actually. A flying move will totally kill us, but also yeah, I thought Kirlia echoed voice using the TM. Just want to let you guys know. So yeah, I'm going for confusion. Let's see. Oh god, bite! We are so dead. We are so dead. I'm sorry. I should have predicted that actually. Golbats usually have bite because they have the freaking big mouth. They will obviously have bite. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Okay, Yokai. Oh god, wait. Yokai is a ghost type. Why am I not thinking? Okay. Hopefully a faster, nope, we are not. Yokai is dead. Or can you tank it? Critical again? What the double critical, are you kidding me, right? The double critical hit, bro? Seriously, bro? Okay. That's totally not fair. Okay, Celsius, you got this. Let's do it. Come on. Let's go for the Razor Shell. Confuse Ray. Oh my god. Why do all Golbats have Confuse Ray? Is it like a standard move or something? Oh my god, please, Celsius, no! Oh my god! Okay, I believe in Celsius, guys. We can do it. Here comes the Swift. Yeah. Oh, come on, just break the confusion, bro. Yes, raise the shell, just one-shot him, come on. One shot. That didn't do much as I expected it to. Another Swift, okay. Hopefully we can break the confusion. Oh god, it's getting kind of annoying. But we actually land the Razor Shell again. Hopefully we get like a defense drop or something. Yes, we got the defense drop, so that's good. So another tackle or Razor Shell should take it down. But I'm actually going to go for tackle because Razor Shell has 90% accuracy and I don't want, you know, be unlucky and just miss by the 10%. And of course, yes, that totally happened. I just... Okay, both of my Pokemons can't do anything except Mini has Fake Out. And that can, you know, flinch him and we can be hopefully faster than this guy. Okay, Mini, you got this. Also, Mini learned Dig. I mean, he didn't learn Dig. I taught him Dig using the TM. I always forget to mention these two guys. But as the battle goes, you can see it for yourselves. Also, Mini is going to go to level 26. So 3 more levels and we got that Force Palm. So next is the Carvane, huh? So that's good for Rosalina because we can take it down with Magical Leaf or Mega Drain or Giga Drain, whatever. We can get them HP back also. So let's go, Rosalina. Okay, here comes the Carvane, huh? I mean, usually Carvanhas do have Ice Fang, so I'm kind of scared. So I'm going to go for the Mega Drain to get all my HP back. And let's see what he's going to go for. Ooh! That is if he gets the chance to, cause he got wrecked, son. Oh snap, that was awesome. Okay, so we defeated this guy. Finally, level 25 Rosalina. That's good, wants to learn. Giga Drain, yes! Awesome, okay. I have doubt, is Mega Drain, Giga Drain's PP 5 in this game? It's 10, okay, that's good. Because I'm pretty sure in some game, I think it's Emerald, Giga Drain has a PP of 5. So that was kind of sucky. This is crazy! It sure is, bro. I got beat by some kid. And you're just gonna stand there, you want to report to your leader or something? Okay, that's good. Oh god, I should have healed. Intruder alert, nobody can stop our fossil exporting operation. Why did I give him the robotic voice? I can. Okay, doesn't matter. But please don't have like, I don't know, flying types cause I'm dead. Okay, he's gonna send out, of course. Yes, he knows. Oh god, Rosalina's so dead. Do I have revives? Let's find out right now on Pokemon Alchemist. Yes, we have. So I'm going to use this carefully on Celsius because Celsius is a beast. So I'm going to use on him. Let's see if he can actually survive a wing attack. I really doubt it, but Rosalina is a beast, I think. Oh, come on. Okay. I mean, that was kind of obvious, but I just thought with that millisecond of the chance I can survive it. Level 29. What the hell? These guys are like way over leveled, or like I'm really under leveled. I don't know. It's either that or this. So I'm going to heal up Celsius. Excuse me. Okay, he's going to go for the Swift. Okay, that's good. So that's not going to give him stab, so it's going to do less damage. So let's go for the Razor Shell, and let's totally take. Oh my god, you're kidding, right? No way. Please, Celsius, I believe you. Come on. No. Why? Why does this game do this to me? The Confuse Ray, bro. Oh my god, please hit it, Celsius, hit him. Yes, raise the shell, Crab Hammer. That did okay damage, I guess. We have only 5 potions, so that's not good. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have took on this guy yet. Maybe I should have got the DM for Rock Smash because I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in this lower sand vale, so maybe I should have done that first. But I just noticed that gal standing out and I just talked to her and looks like they have a secret base. So we are going to be infiltrating their base and stopping their fossil something mission. Yep, I think it was fossil exportation mission or something that guy told us. Oh god, can we survive? Ooh, confusion, please, I swear. Please help me, thank you. Golbat is there, that's good. Phew, that was close. Okay, so let's see what he's going to set out next. Celsius go to level 28, which is awesome. Wants to learn Revenge. Yes, a fighting type move. Oh my god. Okay, let's get rid of... Fury Cutter? I mean, Tackle can come in handy, but Fury Cutter, you have to use it. You have to be using it for it to become stronger. Next is a Poochyena. I mean, I could test my Revenge, but I mean, we are kind of like almost there. So I'm going to go for a Mini, go for a Fake Out, and go for like a Dig or something. Because Dig is a ton. That's a ton of damage. Also, I want me to grow that levels and get that Force Palm. So let's go for the Fake Out. And let's see how much that does. Usually Fake Out does really a decent damage. Look at that. I thought it would do like 1 HP, but it does a really decent damage. So let's go with the Dig. It may look like we hit him, but we just burrow our way underground. Okay, we avoided the Assurance, and this Dig should do a ton. Earthquake, yeah. Awesome, critical hit. That's for the 2 critical hits I got at the beginning of the episode, yeah. Mini goes to level 27, that's good. We defeated Blue Ribbon Grunt. Dish, bro. Okay, more grunts. Okay, no. This place is literally like Team Rocket hideout with Wailstone music. That's good. So, oh god, I'm scared of going there cause, yep, that's a girl over there. Okay, looks like there isn't much over here, so that's good. We also got TM46 for Thief, so that's pretty neat. So I'm going to actually heal up. And you know what, I'm actually going to go to the Pokemon Center because, I mean, I don't want to waste my revives yet. So So why not go to the Pokemon Center? Also, there's actually this mini Pokemon over here. That vending machine over there is actually a mini Pokemon. So we can actually buy stuff from here. How cool is that? We can also sell stuff, which doesn't make actually too much sense, but that's okay. So I'm gonna buy some potions. Oh god, I think we won't have money for revives actually. We have 1 revive, so I'm gonna buy at least 2 because Litwick is dead and I'm pretty sure even Rosalina is dead. So I'm going to buy 2 revives and the rest are for all potions. So by rest I mean like 2 of a potion, so that's good. Okay, so let's take on that gal over there. She's probably the boss, taking care of these fossil exploitation. So that'll be fun. Please don't kill me. That's what I care. So wait, I bought stuff. I didn't use them. I'm so dumb. Okay, let's use the 3 revives on the 3 Pokemon who was dead. I mean, actually, should I save for Kirlia? Should I save a revive? Because Kirlia won't be of too useful, and I'm pretty sure we'll get the XP share soon enough. So I think I'm going to just stay Kirlia dead, as crazy as that sounds. I'm sorry, Kirlia. You will go to doctor, don't worry. I'm not that psychopathic, I think. Yep. So let's take on this gal. But before that, anything here? Has papers inside. Finish transporting fossils. Going to abandoned base soon. Shelly. Huh, Shelly. That's actually the Team Aqua admin. I'm pretty sure Shelly. Okay, anyway, let's take on her. What? You made it through all over secret warehouse? That's impossible. And you made it through the amazing rock decor. No matter, the Blue Ribbon has achieved what we have sought after here in the Sandvale Mines. Beating you in the desert after my sweet victory. The Blue Ribbon is invincible. I'll show you the troublemaker like you what happens to mess with the Blue Ribbon, the most feared group in all of Kamala. Okay, when she said, you are my desert, I actually thought of the real life desert with all the sand. So actually she meant desert as in sweet. So that was kind of awkward. So Blue Ribbon admin Shelly. Okay, so she's going to send out a Mighty Hannah. Level 25, okay, I'm pretty sure this has to be the admin from Team Aqua, because the same name, the same Pokemon, bro. That can't be a coincidence, right? Maybe she lost her job in Team Aqua and she joined Team Blue Ribbon because they gave more cash. I'm gonna assume that's it. Also, oh my god, that bite. I'm gonna go for the Giga Drain. Please, like, kill this guy and also give me all my HP back. Yes, critical hit, yes. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Okay, that's good. So Mighty Hannah is down. So we are gonna get a ton of XP, that's good. So next is gonna be a Buizel, which is even more better. Also, this is more evidence that she's from Team Aqua. She has a Buizel which was in existence in Horn, but it doesn't matter. It's a water type Pokemon. And guess what Team Aqua uses? That's right, what I'm saying, a water type Pokemon. Yep, they use water type Pokemon. That's more evidence that this gal is from Team Aqua. Check. No, are you kidding me? I want to say also, my man grows a level, but no, we don't. This is kind of awkward. Okay, next is a Sharpedo, level 26. For the Team Blue Ribbon, I will not fail. Why am I like changing her voice? I don't know, maybe she has a cold problem. Oh god, Ice Fang! I was scared of this. Oh my god, we are dead. Poison Point, yes. Yes, I totally predicted that. I'm not even kidding. That was all my plan, guys. Yokai will die, Mini also can't do much, so Celsius is the beast, and I just realized I took down a Fury Cutter, which will actually be really useful here. But guess what? We have Revenge! Assurance? Who cares? See, my Revenge will do double the damage. See that? Close combat! Just die, bro. I'm sorry you have to go down like that. It's just... the close combat is really powerful for you to take down. So we're gonna get those experience, and we defeated Team Blue Ribbon admin Shelly. What? I can't believe this. We got some cash. Beat my kid. This isn't the end of this. Boss will hear about the incident. I'll get my revenge. And she goes. Okay. So we did some stuff, and you guys aren't going to go. Hello, bro? A kid beating a bunch of gangsters. Ridiculous. I mean that's kind of the story in every Pokemon game, so you can't... Who's that? Light! Oh my god, it's my man Looker! Yo, what's up, bro? I came as soon as I heard the discovery of Team Blue Ribbon began happening. So they had a secret facility deep in the depths of Sandvale. And you say it was a warehouse and they abandoned it? Most interesting, don't you agree? Yes, good to see we all are of equal mindset. Allow me to take a quick look. Wow, it's such a nostalgia. It's just the same thing he does in the not Whalestone, the I think Valley Windworks, The same thing he'll say, let him go check and he'll come back. Looks like they are selling goods located inside the warehouse. The most illegal that was. That was scammed off with the earned money, it seems. They might be too looking towards something big. I'm off. More investigation needs to be held to determine the truthfulness of my theory. Okay. The look and music is always so good. Okay, so that's out of the way. We actually defeated a Team Blue Ribbon from stealing their drugs or whatever they were doing. I don't know. Or were they stealing drugs or doing something else? I don't know. So first things first, I actually noticed these kind of merchants over here. So I'm kind of curious to see what they sell. So what is this place? Black market? What the? Wait a second. Is black market good? Cause I think black market is kind of like illegal stuff where they sell goods. So let's see what they sell. Do you sell the experience here? I sell all sorts of. Oh god. The game. What happened? Is this kind of? Oh, there's some kind of error. Oh crap. Okay, guys. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Welcome back, guys. As you may have guessed, the game actually crashed. So I had to replay all that, but now hopefully we're good. So the moral of the story is, don't talk to old people in black market. Cause literally, if you talk to that guy, the game will crash no matter how much time you do it. If you talk to him, the game will crash. So I hope it's not the same for everyone else. Are you training? I have power items. Yes, the game is not crashing, so that's good. He actually has all these power items and he also has the macho brace, which gives us more experience, but lower speed. I don't know, bro. Speed is kind of important, but maybe if I change my mind, I'll come back. So what do you sell? Feathers here! Get your feathers here! Oh, he sells all those feathers from black and white. Yep, the health muscle resists all those wings from the Driftveil drawbridge. So that's unique and cool. So what do you sell, Granny? I sell the finest thin rare bitter medicine. No thanks. That decreases happiness, but it's basically like potion, but it lowers happiness. It isn't good. Welcome, I have mats. Oh, he actually has mats for secret bases. That's actually really cool, but for now we actually don't have hidden powers, so I don't think we can use them. So that's sad. So what do you have? How about some honey? That's it. It's just gonna sell me a honey. What the? He's gonna sell. I mean, honey won't be too bad actually, because it's basically like sweets and it attracts Pokemon. So I'm gonna buy like 3 honeys. So hopefully it'll come in handy once in a while. So that's all, huh? Okay. So let's go down and check out that cave over there. So let's go over here. So we have the mines. So let's go inside. Cool, we are in the Sandveil mine. So this is cool. Watch out if you want to enter the Sandveil mine. Listen up. The Sandveil mine is long, difficult dungeon of saw filled with wild Pokemon and loot. I mean lot. What is that? Looter? Loot. Yeah. Wildly. Oddly, the layout seems to change every time you enter. Isn't that weird? Once you enter, there's no escape unless you have escape rope or you can reach the exit. If you are prepared, you can enter, or if you hear my warning again, or buy an escape rope and talk to me. One of these extremely experimental and might bug out a game. Save first and buy a rope. Okay, I'm actually going to save that because the game wants me to do that. So let's check out this dungeon. Wow, that's actually really cool. So I mean, we actually, even if I don't have an escape rope, I do have dig. So that's going to be useful. So we are here. Whoa, this is same from Pokemon Zeta and Omicron. That's so cool. We have dungeons. We also got like wild Pokemon going here. Wow, that's cool. So hopefully I didn't heal, did I? Yes, I didn't heal. Okay, first things first, I'm actually going to spray some ripples to actually explore this place. Also, we do have escape ropes, so that's also a backup. So let's check out this place. Whoa, are you trainers? Sometimes my buddies will head up the surface and they're done here. If you find one, they might take you along. Huh, okay. That's cool, they change every time. Also, we get shiny stone. Oh my god, yes! This is the thing I wanted to evolve over Roselia. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. We also got a water stone, which I won't be using, but the shiny stone, yes! Okay, hi. Hey, I have been digging around here for a while and I'm heading further down. Do you want to come with me? It's the only way to get further down. Okay, let's go! Cool, we are in the Sandveil mine floor 2. We also got some more items. A rare cat. Whoa, god, this place is awesome. I really enjoyed this place. Like dungeons, it's awesome. It's also like it gives you the maze vibe. So that's cool. So looks like we can't go there, so we've talked to him. Hey, I've been digging around here for a while. I'm heading down. Okay, let's go down. Yeah. The further we go down, the better, cause we get some more items and we also bump into some rare Pokemon. Whoa! A Machop! Sunstone! Whoa, this place is awesome. But we actually do have a Mienfoo, so I'm not going to catch him. Wait, what? We can't? Okay. Should talk to this guy? Chop! Yep, I knew it. But how do I go further down? Let's see. Level 25, not bad. But I don't want to catch him because I'm training Mini already and I have used the Machop, I think. So I'm gonna run away from this guy. I'm sorry, Machop. Don't disappear. I killed him. I killed the Machop. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I killed a Pokemon. Sorry. Hey, I've been thinking around for a while. Wanna go down? Yes, let's go down, bro. Yeah. We are on the 4th floor. Oh, my repel ran out. That sucks. Okay, let's see what else is here. Sandile. That's cool. Okay. I mean, it really bugs me that I don't have more repels. That sucks. Oh yeah. Also off the bad animation because I had to replay all that. So that'll take a while. Oh, come on. I seriously don't. Ooh, meditate. Huh. Interesting actually because psychic and fighting. Huh. Interesting, but I'm not going to catch you. Don't worry. I mean, do I have more repels? Because I want to explore this place more. Do I have repels anymore? Like super something? Okay, I'm going to escape rope for now. Then I'll come back with more repels. Oh, I love this place. Maybe I'll come here off screen and probably catch some Pokemon, train up also, because training also isn't bad over there. So I guess that's it. We actually explored. We took on the gym. We didn't take on the gym. We took down Team Blue Ribbon and their plans to destroy the world. And we also, explored the mine. So I guess I'll do that off screen. And now we have to find where we have to go. Maybe over here? Or we can. So we can actually go to the Route 9. So actually last time they said we had to do some important stuff, so we cannot go there. So the next episode we'll be going to Route 9 and hopefully exploring more of that place. So for now, I guess this is going to be the end of the episode, guys. So hope you enjoyed this playthrough of the Pokemon Alchemist. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. And with that, guys, I will catch you next time. Goodbye.